if you think just like me that science fiction is probably not your cup of tea, hold on, dear reader, because I have got an amazing debut book recommendation that is a science fiction, but it has also blended some other themes in it that makes it super interesting and engaging to read. And in today's video, I'm going to recommend you a science fiction book, The Touch of Emotions and Myth. And the book which I'm talking about is Enigma of Kadir, which is written by author Venkateshan Subramaniam. And this is the book which I recently finished reading, and I've already talked a lot about it if you have been following me. And so this is a very simple story yet so engaging. Also the first book, because there's a sequel that's going to come, and I just cannot wait for it. And so this book is about a man named Kadir, and this is about his time traveling. But this is not just like your normal time traveling, because the author has tried blending other elements into it, which makes it even more special and engaging. Kadir is in a state of confusion, and so are we for the most of the time when we read this book. Kadir keeps shifting between past, present, and the future, and it's very traumatic for him because the events that were traumatic for him, he's somehow drawn towards them again and again, and he just cannot witness them happening again, and it makes it even more unbearable for him. So that is why he's so stressed about these occurrings. And he also shares this thing with his wife Nisha and his friend Arjun, and they together decide to decode everything that's happening with Kadir, because this is very unnatural and Kadir is obviously in distress because of this. So the trio actually sets out and tries to unravel whatever the mystery is there behind the strange occurrences that are happening. And was one thing that was very mysterious about this book, that when strange things are happening with Kadir, there's also a mysterious woman who is hiding behind the back and silently observing everything. So there's also a mystery about this woman. Additionally, the book also explores the story about Kadir's mother and about her childhood, about how she came in this science field and everything that she did. I cannot reveal more because it might become a spoiler, so I'm just keeping it very limited. But I also loved that exploration side in this book because it added more depth and emotions to the story, and it also gives a very great idea about the story, because the author just did not jump from one point to another in a hurry, but he has added all the essential details that are required to understand a story. And I think this is something I actually appreciate as a reader, because first of all, this was a science fiction, and this is something that I don't personally understand, or I do not indulge much in this genre. So for the starting, like when I just started reading, I was thinking that probably I'm not going to understand the book much, because there are going to be so many technical terms and there's going to be so much of science that's just not going to be comprehended by me. But I was so wrong, because the author has made it so simple, trust me. And if I am saying this, that this book was easy to understand, then trust me on it, because the author has mentioned about the event that is happening, about the day, about the past and the present. So everything, there is the heading, so you actually get a clue about what you are going to read, about the time zone and everything that is very clearly stated by the author. And also when there was the story about Kadir's mother, so we also understand, okay, now the mother's story is what we are reading. So I think this continuous shift is often confusing, but that was not the case with this book. So I highly applaud the author for making it very simple and engaging. Apart from that, the writing style was very smooth, very engaging. Wherever the emotions were required, it was perfectly there. And the science elements that I was talking about, they were definitely there, because without it, the book would be so incomplete. But they were also written in a way that was easy to understand, even if I did not understand them completely. But it was like not like bombarded on readers, I think. So and that was again a great thing. So the book actually puts Kadir in a dilemma because somewhere it is linked to his mother, and he has discovered like a point, a clue about it, and he just want to unravel everything, and he just want to fix everything, undo everything, and just make everything better once again. And for this, we'll have to wait for the second book and read what happens, because I'm not going to give you any more clues, because I think I'm just going to give you the whole story if I tell you anything more. But trust me, this was so engaging and intense after a point, because I just could not wait but to understand what is happening and why is this happening and what exactly am I reading. So that was the kind of confusion that's created by the author, and I think it was a great work that's done by the author. The only thing I'll say is that the title and the cover of the book could be a little more appealing, and because the story inside is so good, honestly, and I think that it totally deserves to be read. But mm, I myself, like as a reader, I know that how often we do actually judge a book by its cover, and how often we go for the book or do not go for the book just based on their cover. So I feel for books like these that are like genuinely worth reading, I feel that these books should not be judged by their cover. So a little more work and efforts could be made in that direction. So I'm eagerly waiting for the sequel to come out, because the book ends on a cliffhanger and it was so intense, and I just cannot wait to read the next book. And yeah, overall it was a great read, and I really hope that if you enjoy science fiction, then you should definitely read this book. If you do not enjoy it, then I think you should definitely give this one a try and see if you like it. And this is it for today's book recommendation. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Until next time, take care, keep reading.